You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this very famous opera by Mozart. By the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce more Mozart and more vocabulary for music, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. So, the English title is The Marriage of Figaro. Now, Figaro is a Spanish name, the barber. It's pronounced in Spanish Figaro. Figaro with a stress on the ga syllable. Now, the original title, I believe, is from Italian, and it's pronounced Le Nozze. Le Nozze, meaning the marriage di Figaro. Le Nozze di Figaro, that's your Italian pronunciation here. The Marriage of Figaro. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.